Things change every day, but there is one thing that remains the same. That is T&H's dedication to better meeting the customer's requirements in the agricultural field. To do that, T&H considers the customer's needs as their first priority. They listen to customers, they think like customers, they feel like customers feel, and finally, they deliver superior packaging products. T&H uses top quality raw material and advanced equipment. Then they do multiple tests on products before delivering to customers. What makes a very good product? If customers like it, if it brings convenience, if it helps save money, then it's a good product. And that is what T&H strives for. T&H is doing this because they care for the customer's satisfaction.
My name is Tyler Haberman. I'm with the Number 9 Hay. We've been using T&H twine now for a while, and we've been very impressed with the quality that they've been able to manufacture. It is consistent in its knot strength and how it feeds through the balers. We've been very, very satisfied with it, and we know how important to have quality twine is when you're baling. Otherwise, you can have a complete mess here in the field. And this twine has lived up to our standards that we're used to and that we've come to expect with our baling twine. We enjoy working with this twine for a couple different reasons. The first one would be for the knot strength of this twine. We can see here that it's held together nicely in a nice tight knot. It's not coming apart, and it's holding together as it should to prevent fewer broken bales. The other reason we enjoy working with this twine is for how the consistency in the twine holds together. As we can see here, we don't have any frayed edges. It's all holding together, and it's nice, tight weave as the twine should.
Season after season, T&H is focused on the customer's needs and meeting their requirements. In the future, T&H will continuously make innovation and strive to offer superior products and services to customers.